Your next car could be the 2023 Nissan Titan. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, bed liner, cooled front seat, fog lamps. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.